What is up, JLive Model here. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to adjust the adjustable chainstay on the Specialized fuse. Stay tuned. So I recently bought me a hardtail. I bought the Specialized fuse because hardtails are fun. I've already dinged it up. But anyways, this guy right here is a really nifty feature. What it allows you to do is push the rear axle and tire back or shorten it up depending on your style of riding, whether you like to go fast, longer wheelbase, or if you are really like to be really nimble, shorten the wheelbase. Well, I wanted to lengthen mine because, well, I like stability, like on the Jeeps. Adjusting this is super easy. Yes, it will take time, but again, it is simple. You just need two different size of Allen keys, a 6 and a 4. Start by loosening the axle, and you're going to loosen the chainstay adjuster clamps on both sides. You only need to loosen them, don't take them out. You're going to take the same Allen key. From the back to the front, there are two holes going above the adjustable chainstay. And what you're going to do is stick in your Allen key. You're either going to turn it clockwise to lengthen and counterclockwise to shorten. Just whatever you do, make sure you are doing, if you're not going to max it out to the front or the back, just make sure you are turning it in equal increments on both sides. Otherwise, you're going to have a not flush axle. That will be problematic. After you're all done, just make sure you tighten back up the clamps on both sides. And your axle. That's it. It's all done. Go give it a test ride.